There's like three components of software. You want to make sure it's reliable. You want to make sure it's scalable. You want to make sure it's maintainable. Reliability, right? You want to make sure that the system does what it says and that like it's going to be consistent. If somebody asks for something, like you probably don't want it to give like random stuff. Just people aren't going to want to use an application like that. And then scalability is the idea that like if one person accesses something, like yeah, sure, it works for this one person, but like what about for the other like 50,000 people? Will it work for them? And so it's this idea of designing a system that can handle millions of users, tens of millions of users, billions of users. But scalability is like the hard thing because there's a lot of problems when it comes to when you need to build out several servers. For most startups, it's just like, hey, like do reliability and then do maintainability. Let's maintainability being like the idea that we can evolve our code over time and that it's not going to be like a massive hassle of like spaghetti code where you make a feature and then it breaks other things, right? We want it to where this is like long lasting ideally.